This video will guide you permanently change the app used to open all files of a particular type on Mac. So, let's get started. In this video, I use a .mp4 file, but you can do these steps with plenty of different types of files. Step 1. On your Mac, click the Finder icon in the dock to open a Finder window. Step 2. Select the file you want to change default open application. Then right-click it. Click on Get Info in the pop-up window. Then, select the application in the Open with options. Click Change All. Click Continue in the pop-up window. Close Get Info window. When you open the .mp4 video files next time, macOS will use the application you set. Thanks for watching. See you next time.